So you bought yourself a GoPro Hero 10 Black and you're in the market for a new memory card that'll work with your new GoPro. Well, today we're going to show you which memory cards GoPro recommends that'll work with your GoPro Hero 10 Black. We'll show you 512, 256, and 128 gigabytes cards that they recommend. Now, we're going to go through these on Amazon. I'll show you some of the current pricing on there. I'll show you which card I've been using in my GoPro Hero 10 Black, and that seems to be working great. As well as I will have links below to all of these cards on Amazon so you can pick them up for yourself or find more information. Now, if you are new here, my name is Ken, and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we're bringing you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into which memory cards GoPro recommends for your GoPro Hero 10 Black. All right, so here we are on GoPro's website, and this is the page where you'll find which memory cards GoPro recommends for the GoPro Hero 10 Black. I will put a link to this page below in the description. They also show which memory cards you can use for older cameras as well. Now, this list used to be much longer with all sorts of different brands of memory cards on it in previous years, and it looks like they've cut the list back to 2 different brands currently and several different models. So we will get into those on Amazon and look at the pricing in just a moment. So you can see the camera here on the left-hand side. The Hero 10 Black is what we're looking at today. And it says the minimum requirements are a micro SD card with V30 or UHS-3 rating. So that's what we're looking for in these memory cards. And again, it looks like they're recommending Sandisk products. So Sandisk Xtreme, Sandisk Xtreme Plus, and Sandisk Xtreme Pro, or the Lexar Professional 1066X Silver Series in several different models. So we're going to jump over to Amazon right now and just have a quick look at some of these pricing. And as we go through this, I'll show you which card I've been using as well. So we'll jump over. We're going to start out with the 512 gigabyte cards and work our way down to the smaller cards. So starting with the most expensive one currently, and again, all of these prices are fluid and are always changing, but this is what the pricing currently is here on Amazon. So the most expensive one is the Lexar 1066X 512. This one's currently running at about $130 here, silver and black color on that one, and that's got that V30 rating on it. That would be the most expensive one currently. From there, we're going to jump over to the Sandisk Xtreme Pro 512 gigabyte card. This one's a little bit less expensive, $111.87 currently for that one. And the next jump down is the Sandisk Xtreme, and this one is $83.99. So that's actually a really good value for a 512 gigabyte card here on Amazon. Now, I do want to mention the Sandisk Xtreme Plus. I don't have any of them here on this list. They seem to be sold out on Amazon. I do have one that's sold out here. I'll show you in the 256 gigabyte version, but they seem to be a little bit harder to come by. So that's the Sandisk Xtreme Plus. That might be a little bit tricky to find. So the Sandisk Xtreme here. Let's jump down to 256 gigabyte cards. So jumping down a level, or size I should say, again is the Lexar Professional 1066X 256 gigabyte. This one is $59.99 currently on Amazon. The next one down from there would be the Sandisk Xtreme Pro 256, and this one's $46.79. Jumping from there, we've got the Sandisk Xtreme 256 gigabyte card, again V30 rating. This one is $41.10, and this is actually the card that I have been using. I've been very happy with it. 256 gigabyte card in my GoPro Hero 10 Black. It seems to work great. I also have a 32 gigabyte version of this card, which also works great, but the 256, I've had no problems with it in my GoPro Hero 10 Black. Now, I do want to mention, this is the Sandisk Xtreme Plus, as I'd already mentioned. They seem to be sold out here on Amazon, or a little bit trickier to get. It looks like there might be some resellers here starting at about $70, but you can have a look through on your own at those. Now, jumping down into 128 gigabyte cards, again, we've got the Sandisk Xtreme Pro. This one is coming in at $26.69. So if you are looking for a little bit smaller of a card, you are still going to get a fair bit of recording time out of this. Those are only $26.69 for that card. So that's a great deal on that card. We've got the Lexar Professional 1066X 128 gigabyte card. This one's $23.49. and rounding at the bottom for pricing, and still a great value and a great card. That Sandisk Xtreme 128 gigabyte card is only $21.99 here on Amazon. And those are basically the cards that GoPro is recommending for your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So hope this video was able to help you out in picking out a memory card for your GoPro Hero 10 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.